Hey guys, this is Buick Enclave 2011. My high and low beams are not switching anymore, so I suspected after a little investigation that it's the ballast. As you know, those lights are HID lights. Here where you change your HID lights, and this is your ballast. So this is where your water pump for the wipers. If you go up here, this is where your ballast. So you remove 2 star screws. As you can see, that's a star screw. And of course you need to have your battery disconnected for sure. Then you pull it. It's like a cartridge, you know, just with a little force you should be able to pull it, hopefully without not too much force, but it seems like hard in one hand. Try. Just squeeze it a little bit. Let's see. Okay, yeah, there you go. So you pull it out like a printer cartridge, almost same concept. And let's see if we can clear it from this body over here. Yep, you can. There you go. Got it. Then you grab in your new one, and same position, vice versa. Slide the new one in, put back your 2 star screws, plug in back your battery, wrap up the cover around your wheel, and you're good to go. Good luck.